Hello students, so in this video I am going to solve question number 6 of exercise 11.1 from class 9 NCERT book. So the question is, the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of 200 per 100 meter square. Right. So first we need to find the curved surface area. So first let's draw a cone. D is, so in the cone D is given. D is what? 14 and slant height is 25. This is 20. Now first we need to find curved surface area of cone. So let's solve. D is equal to what? D is equal to 14 means R will be half of the D, 7, and L is 25. The curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Pi, let's take 22 by 7 into R is equal to 7 into L is 25. Now 22 into 25, 550. Now this is the curved surface area of cone, and now we need to find for whitewashing of this area, and the rate of the area is 1 meter square per the rate of 200 per 100 meter square. So let's write for whitewashing 1 meter square area will be how much? 210 per 100 meter square. 210 per 100 meter. This is 1 meter square area. We have this area means 550 into 210 divided by 100. 1010 1010. 55 into 21 will be 11 11 5 5. This is going to be your answer. Alright students, so thank you so much for watching this video, and for this kind of content you can subscribe this channel.